In our modern diets, sugar is everywhere, but why should we be mindful of how much we consume? Excessive sugar intake, especially from sugary drinks and snacks, contributes to weight gain and obesity. High sugar consumption is linked to a variety of chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes and heart disease. These conditions can significantly impact one's quality of life and overall health. Sugary drinks, in particular, pose a substantial risk due to their high calorie content and lack of nutritional value. When consumed in excess, these beverages can lead to weight gain, which is a major risk factor for developing chronic illnesses. Additionally, the rapid spike in blood sugar levels caused by sugary drinks can strain the body's insulin response, further increasing the risk of diabetes. It's important to be mindful of the amount of sugar in our diets and to make healthier choices whenever possible. Reducing the intake of sugary drinks can be a crucial step towards better health and well-being. Reducing sugar supports heart health by preventing elevated blood glucose levels and insulin resistance. Sugars feed bacteria in the mouth, leading to tooth decay. Limiting sugar helps maintain dental health. Understanding the difference between natural sugars found in fruits and the added sugars present in processed foods is crucial for maintaining a healthy diet. Natural sugars, like those in apples, bananas, and strawberries, come packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and fiber that benefit your body. On the other hand, added sugars, which are commonly found in candy bars, soda cans, and bakery items, offer no nutritional value and can contribute to various health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. By choosing foods with natural sugars, you not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also nourish your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle. Opt for whole foods. Use fruits to naturally sweeten your meals instead of reaching for processed options. Be vigilant about reading labels. Many packaged foods hide sugars under different names. Consider using low-calorie sweeteners or natural alternatives like fruit purees when cooking or baking. Modify your recipes by reducing sugar. Often you won't notice the difference in taste. By making these simple changes, you can significantly reduce your sugar intake, leading to better health outcomes and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating more fresh vegetables into your meals not only adds essential nutrients, but also helps in maintaining a balanced diet. Drinking water instead of sugary beverages keeps you hydrated and supports overall bodily functions. Swapping sugary snacks with fruits provides natural sweetness and fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. These small mindful choices can have a profound impact on your well-being, helping you to lead a healthier, more energetic life. Remember, every little step counts towards a healthier you.